Kay Alina daw, tapos ito naman kay Alisa. Ito naman yung mga bibit-bitin ni Alisa. You know, you need to wash your bag.
I can't remember. I can't remember.
When you was in the Philippines, yeah. You like this as well. Good morning! Good earlier was too dark. Nagkakapi pa ako. Actually yung time ay na 12 na pala. Pero nag-breakfast ako mga 11 o'clock something na. It's your good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, black. Pero, excuse me, black coffee ako today. Ito po yung mauta. Kasi, naubusan ako ng 3-in-1. Good naman. Wala din naman problema sa akin yung black coffee. Mas maganda din daw yung black coffee pag gusto mo mag-loss ng weight pa. Pwede ko naman din kailangan mag-loss ng weight. Yung chan ko, ano na, napapansin ko sa umaga ang, ano na, parang flat na ba?
Wait,
Ako kasi nakikita nyo naman, malakas din ako kumain. Kaso nga lang, problema kay, active daw na ako ba? Mahilig ako maglakad, ganon. Sa work din naman, more on lakad-lakad talaga kami doon. So, ayan, pag mapupunta ako ng gym, after ko work, tapos pupunta ako ng gym, hindi ko na kailangan magpunta ng sa bike. Yung tinatrabaho ko na lang is yung legs ko ba, mga kachika ba, yung likod ko, ganon. Ganun yung mga inaano ko. Yung more on sa butt ba, exercise, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Pero pag mag-bike, ganun nga, lalo na pag galing ako sa work, hindi ako nagbabike. Kasi nag-spend ako ng time naman na maglakad-lakad. Mahilig talaga ako maglakad.
Wait, I got hair tie ready.
I got one.
What color?
Same color you got.
Is it like say grey stretchy like grass? Huh?
Tight. See? Same color with your colors.
No, look like it's orange.
Similar. Same. Almost the same.
Ow.
Alina is helping me mga kachika kay magpapak kami. I-empake kami.
This one is for this.
Nandiyan pa yung bed, hindi pa naayos kay kagigising na ni Mr. Tapos Alina naman nagmadali na akyat dito. Sige. That's good. You're helping me. Let me see Dobby if there's no stain on that. No, there is you don't need to take that one as well.
Oh, I want them.
Okay, you can wear that there as well. That dress as well.
Yeah,
Is it fits you?
Yeah, it is.
Or short?
I'm sure.
Short? Maybe, what size is it? I think it's Alisa. So Alisa, she got one as well like that.
It's 6 to 7.
6 to 7?
Yes. Well, my sister still.
Ligpit kami. Mga damit.
Are you done?
No. Hindi na very good helping me.
Help. Help. I need some help here.
Why?
Because of the zipping.
You don't need to close it. Yeah.
I want to because of the panties. I'll try to put Alisa stuff in here.
Yeah, put Alisa stuff there.
Okay, Lisa's panties. 2 socks. Okay, I get 2 socks.
Kanina pa talaga yun siya nangungulit. Katapos kumain, sabi niya, akala ko ba mag-i-empake tayo ngayon? Sabi ko, wag mo na ngayon. Tapos sabi niya, kasi sabi mo kagabi, today daw. Yeah, how many socks you got for Lisa?
Yeah.
You got her pantry as well?
Yeah.
How many?
3.
3? Okay, that's good.
Okay, now choose Lisa's clothes.
Nagtaano din ako ng damit kasi aalis din kami after magligpit. kaso nga ito, mga nakalagay kasi sa mga suitcase na to, yung dalawang maliit na suitcases, yung mga pang ano namin, pang winter ba na mga clothes, mga kachika. Tapos may nakita pa pala ako ng mga damit-damit din na mga tinubuan na nila Alisa, nila Alina ba.
Like,
Mga ganito,
we need
ganito.
one dress. We need one dress.
Yeah, bedtime clothes. That for Alisa. I have a look for that.
I'll look for a dress.
Hmm.
How shall I look for a dress for her?
Yeah, so ito na nga. Ilagay ko lang muna to dito mga kachika. Mamaya ko na to ayusin kasi ano ding aalis nga din kami. Ngayon, may dentist appointment ba ng 3 o'clock. I think 1 o'clock na yata. Kaya iiwan ko lang muna to tapos ilalagay ko yan doon sa may mga yung malalaking suitcase kasi wala na halos laman yung mga suitcase na dalawa dahil inano ko na yun sila mga kachika, yung mga laman noon ay yun na yung ipapadala ko sa Pinas. Ganun, tapos yung mga ganito ang costume ng mga bata ba ang
What's
Halloween.
Again, what you need.
Ganyan. Iiwan ko lang muna to dito.
One dress.
Balikan ko na lang to mamaya kasi wala na akong time, magligpit pa ako dito sa higaan and then mag-ano pa kami. Papakainin ko pa yung mga bata ng lunch, ha?
Did Lisa when we're just fine for my 7th birthday?
No.
Rocky Nisa. Get this and what the this up. I'm Sammy. I'm Sadie. I'm here. I'm Angel. I'm Alvin. I'm Andrea. Okay, let's dance. Kiss up, kiss up, kiss up, kiss up, jump.
Excuse me. How many times I brush your hair now, Lisa? It's still messy again because you don't want to be you don't want to have a hair tie. Yung same one like Lina.
Yeah, I want to tickle the canina.
Careful, careful.
Tickle like canina. Tickle like canina. Tickle like a Lisa say tickle like a Nina. I'm say like a Nina. Nina?
Mga bata, excited na. Ito kay Alina daw, tapos ito naman kay Alisa. Ito naman yung mga bibit-bitin ni Alisa. You know, I need to wash your bag. Oh, look, it's very, very dirty. I'm gonna wash them tonight so you can use it tomorrow, okay?
I want it.
Yeah, I know you want it. Can you please don't cover the camera? And then, yeah, ito na. Tapos ito, nalagay ko na dito mga kachika yung mga, sabi ko na mga pang ano namin, yung nagkalat kanina doon, nalagay ko yun siya dito para tuloy-tuloy na ba? Kay magulo tingnan. Yan, nalagay ko na siya dito. Ito pa din mga, ano dito ng mga bata ba? Mga damit-damit.
We can have
Kaya ilalagay ko to dito. Oh. Tatabi ko lang muna yan. Hoy, yung parayaw dyan mo ba? Namarayaw dyan mo ba? Ito naman ito, mga damit din ng mga pang-winter. Tapos pag mag-winter na naman, yung mga pang-summer na naman nilalagay ko dito. Pang-summer clothes ba? Lagay ko lang muna to dito. And the suitcase as well, put in the bedroom, your bedroom.
like one suitcase.
And that suitcase, that black.
What I put mine? And there?
Just put that one in there. Traffic day. Slow. 20 minutes.
So slow.
Billy the Butcher. Napansin namin na marami ng mga shops dito na area nag-close, mga kachika ba. Wala na talaga. Kahit sa town, ganun, same din. Naglalakad na ako, mga kachika, tapos na ako sa aking appointment. Yung mga bata din nila kasi ni Mr. doon sa may playground. Eh sabi niya maglakad na ako. Sabi ko tinawagan ko. Sabi ko tapos na ako. Sabi niya maglakad ka na lang daw doon kasi nandoon daw yung mga bata sumasakay daw ng carousel. Kaya sabi ko maglakad na lang ako. Saglit lang naman to. Papunta doon. Yung ano lang to. 5-7 minutes walk. Pero kanina pa ako naglalakad eh. Ito ba yung sinasabi ko? Oh. Parang ano to dito dati, mga kachika. Yung shopping center. Ganun, close na. Kasi mga bank din dito, yung iba nag-close na din. May padaan pa yung train ba? Tamang-tama. Pagdating ko doon, makadaan na yung train. Kasi bumaba na yung parang fence ba yung tawag yan? Milk. Daming sale, 70%. Pangbili lang yung wala. Dito na ako lumaan sa may footbridge, mga kachika. Kay pwede man, yan pala yung train na parating. Kaya pala naka-close yan siya dyan. So, pwede ka naman magdaan dito sa sa footbridge eh. Yung iba, tamad lang maglakad. Kaya nag-aantay ng matagal-tagal.
Show you. Okay.
Ala, ala. Dali mo, quick.
So cool.
Ice cream. Gawa ako ng ito ba? Matigas pa man to. Dinipros ko to. Sobrang tigas pa din. Kasi yung iba nito, chicken breast to. Tapos yung iba nito, ilagay ko sa pansit. Yung iba naman, ilagay ko sa, gagawin kong strips ng mga bata. May paano lang naman ako, mga kachika, doon sa dentist. Hygiene yung tawag nila sa kanilang ano dito, yung magpa-cleaning ka ba? Ano? Matigas pa man to. Iwain ko na lang din to kay ano to, yung sagol ko nga sa ano pansit ba? Naluto na yung chicken pero yung iba nito kinuha na ni Lisa, tinanggal na. O kinain niya na. Nagutom yata yung bata doon sa kakalaro. Yung snack lang to nila, mga kachika, papa-snack ko. Tapos yung fries niluto ko na din. Tapos yung chicken, kaya na lang to kasi gusto niya na itatabi ko yaw siya dito pag maluto na yung fries. Mag-share na lang sila nito. Okay na din, di ba? Ano ko doon sa ano? Living room. Ganyan lang ba? Kaunti na lang yung chicken na tira para kay Alina. Oh, you're not going to eat all the chicken, huh? You got your chicken there. Di na na.
Look at this.
I know. Look at that. Di na, be. Snacks na mo. Good? The birthday.
Chicken.
Give some fries to Alisa. Put in her plate.
Salt.
Hot.
Is that enough?
No.
I can stay, Mama.
Sorry. Good na? I can drink mag-water. Chicken is good. I like the chicken as well. Tasty. You want ketchup?
Apple sauce.
Ano kaya yung iniwan dyan sa likod ba? Oh, I know. Dyan sila eh. Kasi nag-aayos yan sila ng front yard nila at saka yung ano nila yung backyard. Ayan na yung ating pansit mga kachika. Totoo na. Papakainin ko na yung mga bata din kay 7:35 na pala. Eating non-stop eating, my girls. That's good. Eating fruits, watermelon, pansit, tapos nilagyan ko
I'm
ng
gonna go to the post office tomorrow.
maybe. Yan, may fish din, pansit. Ayan na.
But now you do it. I wanna do this.
You need to do this first. You gotta clean here first and then. No, it's okay. You can mix it now. Then I'll do the dishes to do here. So then while waiting for that, we can play again. Yeah.
Well, the puddle's ready.
While waiting for the photo.
And we can eat it.
I'm gonna boil the water there. Okay, then.
There's still lots in here. Just move your hand. Leave it. I need it. I'm just checking there's lumps. There's no
Missing
lumps. There's no lumps.
There's no more lamp?
No.
Let me see.
No.
Let me see. Just have a look. Oh, no. That's good.
Okay, let's pour some in there so you can pour some. I'll put the fruit coloring. I'm gonna put it on pink. Okay, I'll put fruit coloring on a pink.
You put the that's it, sir. Alina gonna put that one and then you.
How many drops?
2 drops.
My turn. I'll do it.
Okay, that's
My
it.
turn.
Okay, let Alisa
My
mix it.
turn.
No, you don't need to put more, baby.
My
No.
turn.
Let Alisa mix it.
No.
Okay, Alisa's turn to mix it. Wow, it's nice color.
Pink.
Pink. Maybe I put a little bit more.
So you can make it red.
So make it darker the color. Wow. Okay, can you mix it more? You can mix more than one day.
So,
And then you're gonna bake that.
well, pink.
Mm-hmm.
So nice. It's looking nice. Pink.
Nice color. I like the pink better as well. I mean the red than the yellow. Maybe next time we're gonna put purple. Like Tita made before, no? In their house. Remember that one? That's why you like this now. That's because you had it when you was in the
Pink.
Philippines.
Pink, Mama. Put like butter. Mama, pink. Shh. I used to be put like something on it. I just didn't. I think.
Food coloring as well.
Mama, look.
And purple.
Pink.
Purple.
But it's like pink. Put like something on it. I don't know what it is.
Okay, that's it now. I think we're gonna, that's it now, sir.
No, I want it.
You're not cooking this. Just keep
Let's
mixing.
just do it. Okay, I'm gonna get spoon like a difference because Lisa has got spoon already. I'm gonna get spoon and pour it.
Hmm.
What are you eating?
Fish.
It takes so long.
I think much better. Oh, good. So, I think much better you use this one.
Hmm?
If it's dripping
Oh,
on
yes.
it and it's gonna be wasting it. Oh, no, 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 no.
I'll do it. I'll do it. That's fine.
And then you pour. You should drip a lot and you're gonna, there's nothing left. Oh, wow. Well done, Lisa. You
Yeah.
did it. Just like that, that's it, babe. It's good.
Okay, help me to carry it.
No, you don't need to carry it. Just leave it there. I'm gonna do the carrying.
Is
Can
that
I
good?
put more there?
Yeah,
Okay, put
sure.
more there. That's it.
That's a lot of say. Oh, it looks like it's going to drip. I done it!
Is that it? Wow, very good. That's two helpers now.
Yeah, making top.
Thank you.
I start. When I need the flour.
You have to wait when the water is boiling.
Hey! I'm gonna do the rest. At least I need some pink. No! Yeah. I need pink. No!
Wait, stop, Bobby, stop.
I done!
Are you
And
done?
the, mine got decorations on it.
Let me see yours.
Mine's.
Very good.
It, like
Wow. I'm gonna cook this now and then you have it before you go to bed. No?
Yeah,
You want milk, Melanie?